tell me, was your profession of acting, was it a choice, or like you wanted that, like a manifestation, or was it just destiny that led you into it?
Like I always say, Tanaz Irani is a production of manifestation. I am my life, my career, my gains, my trophies, all my work spanning 30 years has all been thanks and only thanks to manifestation and visualization.
Okay.
I didn't know these things existed because when I did do that, I was only 8 years old. And in those days, we didn't know all these big, big, fancy words. All we were taught was to sit at the table, study, and work hard. So, coming from a very quintessential Parsi family, and then me having a dream or a passion to become a Bollywood actress was something that I don't think was ever going to be entertained at home. So I didn't have a space and time to speak about it. मतलब मैं बात भी करती तो किसके साथ करती? So at that time, when I was 8 years old, my uncle from London presented me with a diary with a little key and a lock.
Wow.
And so that for me was splendid because, in our times, at least in my generation when I was young, there was nothing as privacy. You know, what is privacy? There's nothing like privacy.
Yeah.
So for me to have a diary with a lock and a key meant that I could share all my inner secrets and desires, which would not have a ear in my family.
Wow.
So I started writing.
It's very magical, you know.
It is very magical. And from a very early age, I always said, I'm God's favorite child.
Oh, that's a magical words again.
Yeah, magical words again. And everything that I wanted, I'll tell you, Anita, everything, whatever I wanted, whatever I'd planned, whatever let's say you can use the word manifestation journaling, जो भी मैंने लिखा, exactly that happened in my
Yes.
life. And I didn't have to work to get it. I had to work. I worked very hard.
Yeah.
I was a very conscious worker.
Yeah.
I never took any work for granted. I never, kind of rested on my laurels. Ke, now I'm famous. I never did that. Every day at the shoot was like my first. I respected my work. But everything that I wanted, now that I think in hindsight, everything was just given to me one after the other when I was ready. Of course, I pushed, I shoved, I hustled, I kind of nagged my mom to let me go. I, gave lots of auditions. And the best part about this is, I'll tell you, the best part about my manifestation is that I did not have the resources. मतलब जो जॉब मुझे चाहिए और जो सीवी मेरे पास था, मतलब इस सीवी के साथ मुझे ये जॉब मिलना नामुमकिन था.
But you got it.
Yes, मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन. It's like, finding dawn. Because I did not know Hindi. I didn't look like the quintessential Indian girl.
Yeah.
At that time, curly hair was not a very common thing. Abhi curly hair is celebrated.
Yes.
Lekin us zamane mein to I used to get taunted for my curly, big, bushy hair and looking very Western. But the universe made space for me. मेरे लिए यूनिवर्स ने नीश बनाया और मेरी हिंदी के लिए भी, मेरी टूटी फूटी हिंदी के लिए भी जगह बनाई. So much so that today, so many places where they teach acting, they even kind of say that अरे नहीं वो तनाज जैसे हिंदी में बोलो ना, वो थोड़ा सा accent जैसा. I think I created a space where people would, find it difficult to imitate me now. So, yes, it was all thanks to manifestation.